Yeah, breaker 19. Can we get a 20 on that spot box?
Alright, we're going to work. Pretty shitty out right now. It's a full-on rainstorm. Not looking forward to hooking up to the trailer, getting the winch line out. It's gonna get wet, but it comes with the territory when you live in Alberta. 5 minutes, it'll probably pass. So it looks like it's gonna be here for a little while. We're gonna zip up to Lloydminster. We gotta load at 8 o'clock in the morning and then go to Wainwright, I do believe, and I think that is it, and then home. So nothing too strenuous, pretty easy. Yeah, so stay tuned on this wet Sunday. We'll get trucking. Down. Oh, it looks like it got hit by lightning pretty hard. I was hoping to catch some lightning on the other camera, but yeah. We're just following the tail end of some hail. I could use the rinse off myself, get some of the bugs off, but probably going to catch up to this sooner or later. We'll remember to put up the D sign, get the bugs off. It's like a natural Mother Nature's car wash. We're just about Forestburg here now, so not good for the crops. Look like a lot of people already got their first cut off out here, so good on them. I'm sure there's going to be the odd guy that didn't, but oh, hey, look at the piles. Good foot here and there in the ditch. Leave it to old Alberta.
yeah. I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joey ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. Destiny, 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 destiny. I've been through some injuries, mentally and physically. Studied them religiously so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory. Bad enough to get a C, they'd rather just go leave it be. And oh, this journey I've been on since 13. Working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. Destiny, 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 destiny. I'm a little bit lost now, but somehow I don't wanna be anywhere else with anyone else. And you've been getting on my very last nerve, but
let this be. I know we've been on hold, trying to work this out. We push and we pull, I hope we don't fall from all of these ups and these downs. I know throughout it all, you're not gonna let me down. I'm holding on to all of you, baby, I won't let you go. No, no. I can't let you go, all alone in the dark. I can't let you go. I can't let you go, all alone in the dark. I can't let you go. I know I promised that we wouldn't be silly, you and me, taking after little fights over things that we should just let right. We were yelling things I know that we didn't mean. It's a hard thing, baby, when we're in so deep and we can't control these feelings. I know we've been on hold, trying to work this out. We push and we pull, I hope we don't fall from all of these ups and these downs. I know throughout it all, you're not gonna let me down. I'm holding on to all of you, baby, I won't let you go. No, no. I can't let you go, all alone in the dark. I can't let you go. I can't let you go, all alone in the dark. I can't let you go, baby, I won't let you go. No, no. It can be deceiving, I gotta know that you really mean it. We can take it slow, just hold on, 'cause I can't let you go. Deceiving, I gotta know that you really mean it. Take it slow, baby, I won't let you go. No, no. I can't let you go.
Well, all done. Good, hard, honest day of work. Sweating my bag off with no AC. Just like the old days. Crazy storms last night. Hopefully a lot of that lightning shows up on film, because that'll look pretty sick. And then it was a perfect, beautiful day today on the way home. Everything went pretty good. No problems. Put a load 90 degree to the tracks, which that was a first for me. I've never done that before. I guess the machines can pick themselves up and rotate in 360 degrees on a jack that comes up right in the middle of the machine, perfectly balanced. So you just nose up the right way and then they jack them up. We put them down on some 2x4s, which were pretty soft. They were just pine. Those got destroyed pretty quick, but we got it all on there, got her done. So we can go home. It's beer time.